How to fix ExplorerExtensions.dll crashes, event ID 1000 on Windows. 1. Run sfc and dism. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to. Delete Windows Explorer history via File Explorer options. 3. Remove Explorer extensions via ShellExView. 4. Reset your computer without deleting your personal files. 5. Check if a third-party application is conflicting in Clean Boot. 6. Repair the system using installation media.